Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in the basics. Pick the exact microphone and speaker in Windows Sound, then match those same devices inside Discord's voice and video. Once done, make sure Windows Privacy and any antivirus allow microphone access, otherwise Discord can't use the device. You should also disable exclusive mode so other apps don't seize audio. These steps stop common conflicts and ensure Discord actually talks to the hardware you expect, not a virtual fallback or muted input. Next, focus on levels and processing. You should set input volume in Discord and verify Windows app volume for Discord isn't lowered. Then enable noise suppression and echo cancellation so background sound and room echo are reduced. If automatic sensitivity misfires, switch to push-to-talk or manually set the threshold. This prevents clipping or dead audio. Once you've tweaked these, run a mic test in Discord and a loopback recording to confirm clarity and consistent level across. For closure, restart Discord and join a voice channel to check real-world performance. Make sure your friend can hear you. If problems persist, reinstall or roll back audio drivers. Driver mismatches often cause mute or garbled sound. As a fast hardware fallback, plug in a USB headset or external sound card. This bypasses internal sound card issues. If you still have trouble, one key troubleshooting tip. Create a clean Discord profile, log out, clear cache to rule out corrupted settings before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.